Hello friends, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wideloop Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to learn IoT with Telegram application. Here we will control LED by using Telegram application in Android mobile phone. Let us get started. This is Node MCU board. Here I have connected two LEDs. Red LED is connected on D1 number and green LED is connected on D2 number pin. So we will see Arduino programming. Here we need to install Telegram library. So we will go to Sketch, click over here and include library and manager library. Here I will search Telegram. And install CTBot. Click over here, install. CTBot has been installed. So now I will install Arduino JSON. I have already installed Arduino JSON. Okay, no need to change and no need to update. Close. Now we will go to edit and examples. Here you will see CTBot, yeah, and here is Lightbot. Click over here, yeah. So we need to edit this. I will type here my SSID. This is SSID of my local network. Token number, we need to token number. So we will go to Telegram application. So I have already installed Telegram in my computer also. So I will open my Telegram account. Okay, here I will search bot father. So click here at bot father. So you can see here this is original account. Click over here, yeah, you can see this. Start. Now we need to create bot. So create a new bot. This is command. Okay, click here, new bot. Alright, a new bot. We will going to please choose a name of your bot. So I will type here my IoT bot. Okay, now we have to choose username. There should be unique username. So my underscore IoT underscore bot. Sorry, this name has been already taken. My IoT dollar bot. Okay, IoT node MCU bot. Wow, congratulations. So you can see here is generated Telegram API key. So I will copy this and you can see my IoT bot. Click here. So here it will open IoT bot. Start. Wow. Minimize. I will paste here API key. I am using here two LED. So we need to take 2 times. First LED is connected on D1 and second LED is connected on D2. So D1 pin, so green LED is connected on D2 and red LED is connected on D1. Okay, so red LED is D1 and green LED is connected on D2. Okay, I have to make as a output red LED, green LED output. Here we will keep by default all LED is low. By default both LED is turn off. Okay, here we need to some modification because I am using two LEDs here. It is for one LED, so red light on, then red LED should be high. Then if I will send red light on like this, then red LED will be turned on and we will get message from Telegram like red light is now on. Okay, and now if I will send red light off, then red LED will be turned off, so low. Okay, here I will get notification from Telegram red light is now on. Okay, I will copy all this thing and I will paste again here. I will type here green and here green, green. If I will send command green light off, then green LED will be turn on, sorry, turn off. Okay, I will change here delay 50 millisecond. This is C board library and my board is object. Okay, now I will check the board. Board is not MCU, port is 5. Okay, now I will compile and upload. Click on upload button. Okay, what happened? Oh, sorry. Red LED and here green LED. Again upload. Oh, sorry. Again upload. Okay, compiling done. Now I will open serial monitor and I will press reset button. Wow, test connection. Okay, now I will close and I will open Telegram application. This is my IoT board. Okay, here I will send command red light on. You can see red LED has been on, and here you get message red light is now on, and I will send green light on. You can see both LED are on, and here you get message green light is now on, and I will send again red light off. Wow, and again I will send green light off. Green light on. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. So please do like, comment and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon after subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.